Video you will learn step by step how you can add a Namecheap custom domain to your Hostinger website. So the first thing we need to do is log in to Hostinger, and then you want to head over to websites, and then you can select website list, which will bring you to this page. From here, what we now need to do is click on the three dots on the right hand side, and then you want to select change or add domain. Once we do this, you can then go through to the next step, and you will now be able to enter in your Namecheap custom domain into this box. So howtoonline.org would be mine. Now you want to select this right here. And then as you can see, this domain is registered at another provider. You'll have to verify you own it when you connect it to your site. This is perfect. I will show you how to do this. Just click on next in the bottom right hand corner. And then once we do this, that will then add this to your Hostinger website. So now once we've entered in our custom domain, it does say now domain not connected. So to fully connect this, click on check guide. This will then bring you to this page. And then what we now need to do is we now need to change our name servers inside Namecheap. So what we can now do is copy this one right here. From Namecheap, you want to go to account, click on domain list. From here, you now want to go to the domain, click on manage. What we now need to do is we now need to go down to name servers, and then we can delete any name servers that are currently in these boxes. Now we can paste the first name server from Hostinger into the first box. And then for the name server 2, we can go back to Hostinger, copy this, go back to Namecheap. And here's where we can now paste this into this box. From here, what we now need to do is click on the tick icon to make sure that we save these. And we are now good to go now back over to Hostinger. So as you can see, this may take up to 48 hours to take effect. So the last thing that we need to do is go to Hostinger. You want to go down to the bottom, click on this option. So I've changed the name server records, checkbox this, and then click on finish. Once you do this, as you can see, it will now say if you've changed your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon. And it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.